Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use boron 20% effectively. Boron is a crucial micronutrient that plays a significant role in plant health, supporting everything from cell wall integrity to the development of fruits and seeds. Using a boron 20% product ensures your plants receive a concentrated and readily available form of this essential element. We'll cover its benefits and how it contributes to robust growth and improved yields across various crops. When applying boron 20%, you have a couple of effective methods. Foliar application, where you spray the solution directly onto the leaves, allows for rapid absorption, making it ideal for addressing immediate deficiencies. Alternatively, you can incorporate it into the soil, either before planting or as a side dressing, to provide a steady supply over time. Always aim for even distribution to ensure all plants benefit uniformly. Determining the correct dosage for boron 20% is crucial for success. Always consult your specific product label, as rates can vary. Generally, for foliar applications, you might use between 1/2 and 1 pound of actual boron per acre. For soil applications, this could increase to 1 to 2 pounds per acre. Remember, boron can be toxic in excess, so precise measurement is key. Also, always wear protective gear, like gloves and eyewear during handling. To maximize the benefits of boron 20%, consider these best practices. Start with a soil test to understand your current boron levels, preventing both deficiencies and excesses. Always avoid overapplication, as too much boron can harm your plants. Integrate boron into a comprehensive fertilization program with other essential nutrients. Finally, regularly observe your plants for signs of deficiency or toxicity, adjusting your application strategy to maintain optimal health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.